Hi, I'm Joe Leo.
And I'm David A. Black. We're the authors of The Well-Grounded Rubyist, 4th edition.
Ruby is such an expressive language that you can write beautiful working code and not even quite know why it works. But the more you know what's really going on and what makes Ruby tick, the more real progress you can make. That's where the well-grounded Rubyist comes in.
The Well-Grounded Rubyist takes you through the building blocks of Ruby, objects, classes, modules, code blocks, and the rest, and also explains the underlying principles and patterns of language design that make it all work together.
You'll see how real Rubyists think when they write code, not just how to type it. It's like a guided tour of Ruby's brain, minus the brain surgery.
So if you want to go from just writing Ruby to truly being a Rubyist, check out the Well-Grounded Rubyist, 4th edition at manning.com.
And hey, we'd love to hear your thoughts or questions on the live book page. Thanks for watching, and happy hacking.